Hello friends, in this video I show you how to remove all virus on window. Use MRT EXE tool. Okay, let's see I show you. So first friends, press here window plus R and writing here MRT. Click here OK and click here yes and click here next. So here have friends three options. So which one you want scan, just click that option and click to next. So friends, MRT EXE tool, useful for everyone. Use this tool, you can remove very easily all malware from Windows. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.